Swing Academy tutorial, editing and enhancing your event. Welcome to Swing Academy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit and enhance your event postings so they look their absolute best. Let's go ahead and get started. Now that you've created an event, you may want to make a few changes or improve its appearance. To do that, click the hamburger menu in the upper left corner. Select Events, then open the menu again and choose Dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll find all of your events, along with several options for managing them. Let's start by enhancing your event description. There are three great ways to add graphics and media to your event. The first option is My Images and Videos. Here you can upload images or videos stored on your device and add them directly to your event. The second option is Free Images and Video. This library contains a growing collection of high-quality AI-generated images and videos that are free to use. Simply browse through the collection, choose the one you like, and click it to insert it into your event. The third option is Create an Image. This is our AI image creator. Just type the description of what you'd like to see, click Generate, and the AI will create 3 unique images based on your prompt. If the results aren't exactly what you're looking for, simply adjust your prompt and generate another set until you find the perfect image. Next, let's look at the AI editor. This powerful tool can rewrite and enhance your event description with just one click. Your current description will appear in the input box. Simply choose the style you like, including casual, flirty, seductive, raunchy, explicit, or vulgar. Then click Submit. The AI will instantly generate a new version of your description. If you like another variation, simply click Submit again. You could also make your description longer or shorter using the available options. The final tool is Spelling and Grammar. This was one of my favorites, especially for people like me. Grammar isn't always my strong suit, but this tool takes care of everything automatically. Just click Spelling and Grammar, and the system will correct spelling, punctuation, and grammar while highlighting the changes it's made. Once you're happy with the results, click Save, and your event description is polished and ready to go. Now let's move over to the Details tab. This is where you can edit your event name, venue, date, time. You could also choose who's invited, including couples, single females, and single males. You'll also find options to make your guest list visible or hidden. And you could submit a request for a special event. We'll cover that feature in a future tutorial. Once you've finished making your changes, click Save. Now let's move to the Cards section, where you can really make your event stand out. You can upload an image from your device, select one you've previously saved in My Images, browse our expanding library of free images and videos, or create a brand new banner using the AI Banner Maker. Simply enter a short description of your event, then click Generate 3 images. And after a few moments, the AI will create 3 custom banners based on your prompt. If you don't like the results, simply edit your prompt and generate another set until you find the one that's right. Our final option is the Custom Banner Builder. This gives you complete creative control over your event card using easy drag and drop tools. Choose from a wide selection of backgrounds, images, people, graphics, and text to build your own unique design. Start by selecting the background, then add your graphics, logos, people, and of course text. You can move, resize, and customize every element until your banner looks exactly the way you want it. If you don't see the perfect graphic, you can upload one from your own device or even create a brand new asset using AI. When you're finished, you can either download your banner to your computer or simply click Apply to Event and it will automatically become your event card. And that's it. Your event is now edited, enhanced, and ready to impress your guests. Thanks for stopping by Swing Academy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever we release new tutorials. Thanks for joining Swing.com, and we'll see you in the next lesson.